Every once in a while, we got to send a salute to our homies in the north. Canada is more than just a large landmass that you remember on occasion. It's also home to Canadian whiskey. Today, I'm going to use it to mix a Toronto. But before we do that, we need to take a victory shot. This raises the question, what am I victorious over? I have a stunted number of subscribers and more gray hairs than I can count. So give me something to celebrate and smash that subscribe button. It will help my channel and enable an old drunk man. That's what I'm talking about, Jefferson's Oceans. I flew to Toronto once, but that was on business. It was back when my hair had more salt and pepper in it, but I was there for business, and I didn't get to enjoy the city. Now I can bring Toronto to my own home in just a few pours. Let me introduce you. 1/2 ounce of a simple syrup. Couple of dashes of some Angostura bitters. 1/2 ounce of Fernet-Branca, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Thank you, James. I've always said, a man with a sweet heart can handle a bitter drink. Two ounces of rye, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Damn! Swear jar. That's further north than Manhattan. That's a Toronto. Today's word of wisdom is doubt. Though you may be a doubting Thomas, it's probably for a good reason. Most of our doubts are rooted in experience. The only reason a thief doubts the bank vault is open because it has always been locked in the past. Your doubts may make you negative. They also keep you a realist. Thankfully, there are people whose glasses are half full. Instead of doubt, they have hope. Hope is the happier version of doubt. Both acknowledge that something may not pan out, but one stays positive about it. So if you doubt something's going to happen, start hoping it will. It will not change the outcome, but it may keep you from becoming an alcoholic. Damn! That's swear job. That's swear jar. You can cut that, right?